Do you have eggs and tomatoes? Make this simple recipe delicious and inexpensive. I'll start our recipe by removing the tip of a tomato. Next we will cut into slices, this way as I am doing. Again, I will cut the slices in half. Tell me how you like to use tomatoes in your recipes, I would love to know. Now I'm going to chop an onion. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Patty Ambrose from New York. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. In a bowl, I will add 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of oregano. With a fork, we will mix all the ingredients. Personally, the good thing about this recipe is that it is very simple to make and is delicious after it is done. I'll also add parsley to taste. Make this recipe at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure all your family and friends will love the result. I'll put some olive oil in a pan. And using a kitchen brush, we will spread well. Now I will add the pieces of tomato that we cut earlier. People, this recipe is so delicious that I do it myself often in my home. I'll also put the onion we cut into the pot. Look how pretty she's getting. Let's season with salt to taste. And black pepper to taste. Tell me if you've made any recipe with eggs and tomatoes like this before. Using 2 forks, I will turn the tomatoes to cook equally on both sides. In this way. I'll flip the onions, too. I'm sure this recipe will go into your routine, just as it went into mine. It's really amazing how delicious it is after it's done. I'll add our egg mixture to the pan. Next we will cover and leave our recipe cooking for 10 minutes. After this time, with the help of a dish, I will turn our recipe. Put it back in the pan to cook equally on both sides. Again, we will cover the pan and leave cooking for another 5 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. Perfect to do on days you don't have much time to cook. With a few everyday ingredients, we can make a delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.